Hey guys, Travis Ventrella here, and in my video today, I want to give you, as a car detailer, ceramic coating installer, business owner, entrepreneur, some practical marketing lessons I've learned after spending over $100,000 in coaching over the years. And these are the exact marketing methods I use, not only to start and scale my consulting company to 7 figures, but what I use to start and scale a detailing business to 6 figures in less than 6 months. And so let's dive right into it. You guys all should be able to see my screen. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through, as a detailer, how to market effectively in your business. Now, right now, I like to call them the 3 different phases, right? And so phase 1 is, you're watching this right now, maybe you're just getting started, or you've been detailing for a while now, and you are right around less than $10,000 a month, right? You might be at $2K a month, $4K, $5K, $7K, but you did not get past $10K a month right now. And so when you are in phase 1, one of the biggest problems that you're going to be facing is, in your business, you're probably knocking doors, handing out flyers, handing out business cards, asking for referrals. And although those things do work and they will get you some customers, it's just not a predictable strategy to have in place. What I've learned in business is you really want to set up marketing systems that could help you attract clients 24/7 without you having to pass out cards and flyers, so on and so forth. And so the solution to this initially is organic marketing online, and more specifically, there's 3 ways I like to do this and I like to recommend, especially if you're starting out. Number 1 is Google My Business. Number 2 is posting in Facebook groups. And then number 3 is posting on Nextdoor or apps like it, where there's communities that they might have a group or so on and so forth. You can immediately get access to attention, right? Because at the end of the day, the more attention you get and the more people you could reach, the more customers you could have in your business. Now, one of the reasons why I put Google My Business as number 1 is because, first off, it is the best search engine in the world, the most popular by far. Whenever someone is looking for a service, they're not going to Facebook or Instagram or, Bing, Yahoo. They're going straight to Google for the most part. Now, the way I like to get phase 1 rolling and more consistent is going to be through Google My Business. And so the way we do that is, number 1, you're going to need to optimize your Google My Business, right? You're going to need to have a great name for your business with some keywords in there. You're going to want to have great photos. You're going to want to start getting reviews. And on top of that, the way you're able to rank organically is going to be by posting updates every single week, and then on top of that, always getting reviews, responding to those reviews. Now, as you could see, I included a screenshot of my detailing business right now. It's been less than a year. It's a 6-figure business, and literally have a great name here, Oasis Detail Mobile Car Detailing. And the reason I have car detailing there is because that's a keyword. I have my hours of operation, my phone number, my website that's fully optimized. I have reviews, and I'm always getting reviews because this is going to help us boost. And then it's also going to be social proof for people to actually want to call us because they see other people have used our service before. And as you can see to the right, those are the latest updates. We're always posting every single week on Google My Business because, again, it's going to allow us to rank. And most businesses, they neglect the simple things that actually push the needle forward, right? Secondly is posting in Facebook groups. And so what you could do is you could join 2 to 5 local Facebook groups every single week. You could post on Nextdoor, and this is an example post. Hey, Baltimore County, I hate to be the one to do this, but I have some awesome news. My family owns and operates Oasis Detail here locally that is fully mobile. This means we come to you wherever you are at to perform our car detailing services as well as our ceramic coating services. We love making cars look like new. Through our services, we would love to extend a welcome to anyone looking for a detail or ceramic coating. P.S. as a bonus, for anyone that mentions hearing of us from this group, we will give you $200 off any ceramic coating package and $20 off any detailing service as a thank you for supporting our local business. And then you could include your number as well as your website. Okay. And then we get to phase number 2. Now, a lot of people in their business, they are handing out business cards, they're knocking on doors, they're asking for referrals, they're only doing organic. And although that can potentially get you to 10K a month, I personally recommend getting ads going as quickly as possible. You don't have to wait till you're at 10 to 30K a month. However, I do recommend that you get the basics dialed in initially and then move on to running ads. But you could literally start running ads after you're at $2,000 a month, right? However, make sure you don't start running ads until you at least got a Google My Business set up and you're ranking that organically. Now, the whole goal here when it comes to running paid ads is we want to attract higher quality leads. Now, the first way we do this is going to be with what I like to call the Google Growth Funnel. And essentially, what I've learned after not only doing this for my own business, my partner's business, but other detailers now, is the best way to go about this is once you have your Google My Business set up, you have at least 25 reviews. What you want to do is you want to start running ads. Now, I've done so many different ad strategies on Google, and I've found that the best one to do is setting up what I like to call a funnel. So this isn't a traditional website where you have a home page, about us, gallery. This is a landing page that's very specific and fully optimized to get someone's name, their email, their phone number, and the vehicle they're looking to get detailed or to get a ceramic coating for. Now, the way we do this is we set up a funnel, we launch Google Ads that are fully dialed in, and what I mean by that is like setting up an advanced campaign in Google, doing keyword research, getting all of that up and running, launching the ad at a $25 a day budget, and then over the course of 30 days, looking back at how much you're spending per lead that you're getting in. Now, the whole reason we have the funnel is data is everything. We want to collect someone who's looking for a detailer ceramic coating. We want to collect all the info we can about them. And then the moment that they enter their information, within 5 to 10 minutes, you want to be sending them a text and calling them twice to get them to pick up the phone, and then literally going through a sales process to get them as a customer, right? And so that's the whole goal when it comes to the marketing strategy for Google. Now, if that's something you have no idea on how to do, there's really 3 options. Option 1, you could try to figure it out on your own. You could try and look up other YouTube videos on how to run ads. Option 2 is you could try to hire an agency, right? Normally agencies could be anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 a month when it comes to retainer, and marketing is only one part of the business, right? If you don't have the right sales process in place, you could run ads all day long. Or option 3 is you could work with someone like me who literally has done this over and over again, and if you would love to learn more about how I could help you actually get this all set up without hiring an agency, you could definitely click the link below this video, book a call with my team and I, and literally what we'll do is get a better idea on where you're at in your business right now, what you're looking to achieve, and if by the end of that free strategy call, we feel like we can help you get the results you're looking for, we'll walk you through what we do and how it works. Now, after that, we get to phase 3, and really phase 3 is, where you're at 10 to 50K a month and you're wanting to just scale rapidly. And so this is where we throw in our second marketing acquisition system, and we call it the Meta Growth Funnel, okay? So this is running ads on Facebook and Instagram, and really there's 2 strategies when it comes to Meta, okay? The first one, I like to call it the messaging funnel system, and the way that works is we're running fully optimized ads on Meta that's going to Facebook and Instagram. So people are seeing an ad, it's video style, and they're seeing you performing a detail or a ceramic coating with some voiceover in the background. And the whole goal of that ad is to get someone to click a button that says request quote or get quote. And literally when they click that button, what's going to happen is they're going to be able to send you a message on Instagram or Facebook, literally asking for more information on how they could, get a quote. And the reason we like this type of ad is because what's going to happen is people are going to have a conversation with you, and then you're literally going to be able to just get a little bit more information from them, and then essentially get their phone number. And then once you get their phone number, you call them and you literally, book them in for a detail. And that's kind of the whole goal there. Now, the second one is going to be the funnel strategy. And essentially you're running ads to get people to, want to get a quote from you. And then when they click the button, get quote, instead of sending you a message, they're going straight to the same funnel we use for Google. And on that funnel, it's literally a headline. It's going to be some copy to really persuade them to give their information. And then you'll be able to call them and text them right away, right? And so at the end of the day, like, these are the different phases, and these are like the marketing strategies I like to focus on. I actually started running ads within 30 days of launching my detail business. And the reason why is because I don't have time to do all the other stuff, and I was able to build my business spending less than 30 minutes a week, okay? Now, here's the other thing I want to walk you guys through. I call it the scale detailing system. Now, like I said earlier, there's really 3 routes you could go about it. Route A, you could try to figure it out on your own. You could watch YouTube videos. You could potentially waste thousands of dollars on trying to set up ads on your own. You could hire an agency, which could be costly. And that's marketing and running ads is like only 10 to 20% of your business. Or option 3 is you could work with someone who already has a proven process. They've been there, done that, made all the mistakes. They've not only proven the process for themselves, but they've proven it over and over again for others as well. And when it comes to the scale detailing system, there's really 5 key components I notice that every single detailing business needs in order to rapidly scale. Now, you might be watching this right now and you're in a place where you're stuck at $3,000 to $10,000 a month. Maybe you don't really have a plan or a strategy that you're sticking to. You're just kind of hoping and praying that you're going to continue to get customers and scale. You might be in a place you really don't have a proven marketing system. You're knocking doors, you're handing out flyers, you're handing out business cards. You're not sure how to close. You're not sure how to have a conversation with someone on the phone to get them to move forward as a customer. And you're not sure how to build a team. And really, at the end of the day, through this system, we want to get you to a place where you're actually able to be doing at least $10,000 to $50,000 a month. You know exactly what to do every single day to move the needle forward inside of your business. You know exactly how to attract clients. You know how to close them and ultimately build a team to automate your business. Now, the way we do that is through these 5 components. Number 1 is mindset. Proverbs 23:7 says, "As a man thinketh, so is he." So we're really big on helping people tear down false beliefs, build up the right beliefs, because most detailers, the reason they stay stuck is because they think the wrong way, right? The second thing is the services, structure, and foundation of your business. Most people start a business to leave the 9 to 5 only to become a slave to their business, right? And so we want to show you how to structure your detail business in a way where you're not a slave to it, but you're actually able to work on your business instead of working in your business. And ultimately, we want to show you how to get your time back and be able to elevate inside of your business, right? And it all comes down to having the right structure, making sure you're charging the right prices for your services. Now, once we make sure you have the right structure and foundation in place, number 3 is the marketing, which I literally just walked you through. And again, there's 2 main acquisition systems we focus on. The first one's the Google growth funnel. The second one's the Meta Growth Funnel. And literally, we're showing you how to scale your business using paid advertising instead of just doing organic marketing. Number 4 is the sales side of things. Because of the marketing, like at the end of the day, you're getting on calls with people on the phone, and we want to ensure you know exactly how to communicate with them to get them to become a customer, make a deposit, and schedule themselves in for a detail from you. And then the second part of that is when you are working on a customer's car, showing you exactly how to upsell them into other services so you can make the most out of that job. And then number 5 is team. You need to delegate to elevate to essentially automate your business. We're going to show you exactly how to build the team. And so if this resonates with you and you got some value from this video, maybe you have some better ideas on how to grow your business, and this resonates with you 100%, and you don't want to do option 1, trying to figure out everything on your own. You don't want to do option 2, which is getting an agency, but instead you would love to learn how we could show you how to implement this entire system into your business. Go ahead, click the link below this video and schedule a call with my team, and we would love to learn more about your business, what your goals are, what you're looking to achieve, and if we feel like this is exactly what you need and the system resonates with you, we'll walk you through what it looks like to work with us and how we can help you install this into your business. And so again, if that's you, click the link below this video, and we look forward to speaking with you.